Let's move now to protection domains. We said that for building a trust system, we need to have a clear understanding of what can be done and who can do it. We can ask ourselves, what does it mean to have a clear understanding of what can be done and who can do it? To answer such a question, we can note that each system is composed of a set of objects, could be both hardware and software. Each object can be manipulated through a set of operations, and such operations can take place within the execution of processes. A domain is a set of object rights pairs that refer to one user or a group of users. According to the principle of least authority, security works best when each domain has the minimum objects privileges required to perform a certain task. Here we have an example with 3 domains, each containing some objects and associated operations. As you can see, the same object, file 1 for instance, can be associated with different domains and with different operations. At the same time, the same object, printer 1, can also exist within the same operation for multiple domains. We assume that each process is executed in one protection domain and that the operating system could allow the process to switch between domains. In Unix, the domain of a process is given by the user ID and the group ID of the user that is currently logged in and running such process. If we now focus our attention on how to maintain the information about various domains, we realize we need to maintain a matrix like the one shown in these figures. The one at the bottom is an extension on the one on the top with domain switching permissions too. In practice, such a matrix would be sparse. Most cells are empty, and storing it as a matrix is not efficient. We can go for either rows or columns. If we store information per column, we are then referring to access control lists. If we do it per row, we are referring to capabilities. We will cover both in the following videos.